So we are looking at a new construction home, Taylor Morrison. We are in Arvada, about 45 minutes northwest of Denver. Taylor Morrison Collection, there's a bunch of new construction homes out there. They have a big community of homes if you're a person who likes new construction homes. If you're new to my channel, my name is Depot Phillips, Denver Real Estate Agent, person who tours new construction homes every single week. If you're a person moving to Denver, relocating in Denver, like new construction homes, leave a comment below. A new construction guide, how to buy a new construction home, how to ask questions. Before you leave, make sure you follow my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up what you like, and we are about to tour some homes. First home we're about to tour is called a Steamboat. It is about $1 million. About 3,800 square feet, 5 bedroom, 4.5 bath. And let me know in the comments what you like about this home, and let's take a look.